Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone 13 in two different ways. You can use this method on most iPhones, so let's get started. First thing you're going to do is locate the volume up and volume down button along with this big side button. So we're going to press and quickly release the volume up, press and release the volume down button, and then finally hold on to this side button just like that. Now the screen will pop up asking to slide to power off, but you do not need to touch that. Simply wait for the screen to go completely black and the Apple logo to appear. At that time, you'll let go of that side button, and this is going to restart your iPhone. Now if it doesn't work the first time, keep on trying it. Make sure that you press and release the volume up, followed by pressing and releasing the volume down one after another before holding on to this big side button. So that's going to go ahead and restart your iPhone. Now another way is, if the button method is not working for you, you can actually use Siri. If you have Siri enabled and turned on, all you're going to do is tell the phone something like this: "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone." "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone." Yes. And as you can see, you can also command Siri to restart your iPhone by saying, "Hey Siri, restart my iPhone," and confirming by saying yes. And it will go ahead and restart your iPhone just like we did with the buttons itself. Now these two methods are safe and will not delete any of your personal data, so all of your photos, videos, apps will be safe on your iPhone. You can go ahead and do this with any phone. And I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.